Hey there folks, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove and replace the light bulb for your Puddle light on a side mirror for all 2006 to 2010 Ford Explorers. Now this is a side mirror I have that's off the vehicle currently for some work being done on it. So I'm just going to show you a little better camera angles with it off. You will be doing this with the mirror on the vehicle still. So if you look under the light that directly shines onto the ground, we're going to be looking at that and removing the bulb for you. Alright, so if we look at the Puddle light right here, there's a small slot. I like to use a pick, reach into it, and there's a little pinch latch, and it just pops up. And you can see right here is the pinch point that we're reaching for. And out comes the assembly, and you'll see there's a rubber grommet here. Simply pops off, and this may be a little difficult to get to, so I use a panel popper tool and push the rubber down slightly and give it a wiggle, and that loosens the bulb out so you can remove it. Alright, so now when you put your new bulb in, you want to be wearing gloves. I'm not wearing any right now, but make sure you wear them because the oils of your hands may get on this and burn it out prematurely. You're simply going to push it in till it clicks into place and then seat your rubber grommet back into the housing and put the grommet side first. Click it in and you're good to go. That's all there is to it, folks. Hopefully you found this helpful. As always, please don't forget to like and subscribe.